Hi, it's Amy from Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a 90s inspired random set of nails that anyone can do, and they're proven really popular in Salon at the moment. Enjoy! So I've started off by painting my 3 tips with my fave nude pink, which is Shy Time, and on a little palette I've put the following colours: Snow White, Serious Black, Abyss, Jaffa Cake, Devilish, Sherbet Lemon and Glastonbury Nights. And what we'll do is we will start with the eyes. These just can be dotted around any which way. Let's get the general shape. And a couple on each. So on this one we're going to use some Sherbet Lemon just to draw some random patterns. When you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds and start on your next one. And just use a different colour for the patterns. So whilst they'll all be pretty similar, they'll all have different colours to set each other apart. And we're going to clean your brush in between. So with that one, we're going to take a small dotting tool, one of the other colours, and we're just going to put some random marks everywhere and fill the eyes in. Make sure it's nice and bright. Put that in the lamp. Making sure that fill the eyes in each time. And outline with contrasting colours. Going back to the first, load up with Serious Black, nice and thinly on your brush so we can outline these eyes again. And pop some eyelashes on, and then pop that in the lamp while we finish off the other two, doing exactly the same thing. And the last one. The final one back in the lamp, and then we're going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. We're just going to top coat these ones. and pop those in for 60 seconds. So there you have it, my funky 90s inspired nails. Everything that we've used today will be listed in our description box below. Click the subscribe button if you liked it and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.